general form of our equation of two variables will be this, okay? But we know that all of these points must be represented by this equation, so let's plug in the first one. Then you get 2a plus 6b has to be c. And using the second point, we know that 5a plus 3b is equal to c. And the last one is minus a plus 9b is equal to c. Okay, so let's take the second equation and multiply by 3. Then I can get 15a plus 9b is equal to 3c. So if I subtract this equation, right, or subtract these two equations now, right, I can cancel out the b's and I can get minus 16a has to be minus 2c. Right, and then dividing both sides, let's divide both sides by minus 2. Okay, then I can get c is equal to, right, 8a. Okay, so we have this. Let's plug it back into the first two equations. Okay, then I can get 2a plus 6b is equal to 8a. Okay, and then I can isolate this, right? I can move, let's move the 8a back here, right? Then I can get 2a minus 8a, so that's minus 6a plus 6b. So this has to equal to 0. This is my new equation. And the second equation becomes 5a plus 3b is equal to 8a. Move this over. 5a minus 8a is minus 3a. So now we have these two equations to work with. Okay, and if you see here, if I multiply this one by 2 to both sides, right, I get this equation, which is exactly the same. And then this one becomes minus 6a plus 2 times 3, so that's 6b, okay? But notice here that we get the same equation, right? So what this means then is that as long as a and b satisfies the equation, right, one of the two equations, so let's just choose this one, right? As long as it satisfies minus 3a plus 3b is equal to 0, or in other words, a minus b is equal to 0, right? So this tells me that as long as a and b are the same, right, this is satisfied, or this is satisfied, okay? So then, as long as a is equal to b, we're good. So let's just choose a and b to be 1. Okay, so then we can plug it back into any of these equations. So let's choose this one. So we get 2 times 1 plus 6 times 1 has to be c. So that means c has to be 8. Okay, so we get that a and b can be, right, as long as they're the same, we're good to go. So one of the equations we have is just x plus y is equal to c, which is 8.